Starting on the home screen, tap the Combine button. Next, tap the Header Settings button on the main menu. Tap the Header Plus button. The Header Settings and Configuration screen will populate. From here, there are multiple options to configure your header. The first setting is the header type. This automatically populates from the selection you made when creating the header. Note, if the header type is incorrect, you will need to create a new header. The next setting is the header width. Make sure the header width listed is the same as the header cutting width. To change the header width, select the box. Enter the correct width, then tap the green check mark. The third setting is the reel setting. Make sure the reel is selected for headers equipped with reels. Continue down the setting list and enter the correct reel diameter to assist with the auto reel speed function. The next setting is the reel pulses per revolution, PPR. If you are using an AGCO header, this number will not need to be changed. Some third-party headers have a different number, which is designated by the header manufacturer. Now select the options that are outfitted on the header. If any of the highlighted options are equipped, the red X will need to be tapped to change to a green check mark. Next, set the center offset for the Combine to header. If the center of the Combine and the center of the header are not on the same line, enter the distance between the two in the offset box. This will ensure accuracy when using guidance and mapping in the field. Finally, set the header depth, which helps with the mapping accuracy. Enter the distance from the cutter bar to the Combine interface hookup on the header.